2008. And there have been different movements. Now, when we talk about being a feminist, yes, but I would also like you to know how I perceive this terminology to be.
Thank you so much. Anyone else who would like to add to feminism, meaning of feminism, how you perceive feminism? We want quick answer because we have a long way to go. Yes, from behind.
Ma'am, a few days ago, I watched a clip. It's My Choice, featuring Deepika Padukone. When I analyzed that, it showed that if we will give a strength, potential strength to a woman, independently, she targeted the man that whatever I wear, it's my choice. Whatever I do, it's my choice. It means that at that time, when we will let a woman to let the ropes of a woman out, that means she's automatically targeting a man. In that proportion, we have seen that if a woman has been given a strength, potential strength, obviously she can target a man. But if the same question will be asked, are you a feminist? I will say, yeah, I am, but in a proportion, certain proportion, 60 to 40, not in a complete. Yeah.
Thank you, Sahel. Thank you, judges. Thank you, members present at the dais for presenting their views. First, I would define what is feminism. Feminism actually is a social movement which actually came from West, and it has been adopted in India. Actually, the dichotomy of male and female, the former being oppressing the latter, that is the females. Actually, this is a wholly refuted concept. Means yes, oppression is there to some extent, but in the Indian context, it was the men who started the social reforms movement. Such as the Lord William Benedict, who passed the abolition of the system, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Widow Marriage Act, child abolition of feticide and infanticide. So nowadays what happens, ma'am, as she was saying that she was talking about the sensuality. The sensuality, sensuality is natural. It is natural. When I'm a boy and I'm standing before a girl, positive attraction towards a girl is natural and cannot be stopped and should not be stopped, because in that sense the law of nature is contradicted. But the fact is, when you go to Konark temple, when you go to Meenakshi temple, at that time you will see the sensual images of gods and goddesses being portrayed on the temple. At that time, why devotion comes in our heart? Why not sensuality? Because it is the mindset of the people. We sometimes restrict our views towards the women as a sex object, but actually she is not. In India, we have a matriarchal society and we have respected women for ages. But if there is something that is to be done just to change the mindset through proper education, I don't think that this concept is debated over means we are means the males are oppressing. It is not oppression. It is not due to, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. He went to say that it all lies in our perception. देवी को देखकर कोई अट्रैक्ट नहीं होता. एंड बाय द वे, अट्रैक्शन क्या सिर्फ आदमियों में होता है? Women also get attracted. Does that mean they also get the right to rape men? ऐसे केसेस क्यों नहीं रजिस्टर होते, by the way? So it's all in our head. It is the perception. I will invite all of you to share a couple of your experiences on feminism. Before that, there are a couple of more videos that we like to watch.